Hello, I am Keith, and these are Science Things. So I've come to explain something very simple, which is application of friction. You may have been told that walking, writing, and other applications are dependent on friction. As this is partly true, I want to introduce the concept of coefficient of friction. This will be short and easy. First of all, coefficient of friction is a measure of the amount of interaction between two surfaces. Important to note is that the coefficient of friction between two particular surfaces is within a specific range for static and kinetic friction, but is generally between 0 and 1. So the lower the coefficient of friction, the more slippery the surfaces, and vice versa. Coefficient of friction is given by friction divided by the normal force. And therefore, in any condition under which the surfaces are in contact, the coefficient of friction remains within a given range. The higher end being for static friction, since friction is greater, and lower end for kinetic friction, since the friction is less. As a simple example, imagine walking on a concrete floor. As you walk, the coefficient of friction is on the higher end to keep the foot static and prevent you from slipping. But if you were to reduce the force exerted in your step, the coefficient of friction would reduce significantly and you would slip and fall. But if the surface is wet, the friction is reduced, reducing the coefficient of friction and causing you to slip. So that's basically coefficient of friction. Thanks for listening. Like and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next one.